Hello students, today we will start construction. Okay, chapter number 4, practical geometry. Today we will learn how to construct quadrilateral. Your first question is construct the following quadrilateral ABCD. So here first I have drawn a rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD. Here some measurements are given. With rough hand I have drawn this. Okay, I have written some steps also. These are the steps of construction. With the help of these steps we will construct the quadrilateral. Okay, so your step first you have to draw AB 4.5 centimeter. So with the help of ruler you will draw AB 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so with the help of ruler measure your 4.5 centimeter and draw one straight line of 4.5 centimeter. Suppose this is my 4.5 centimeter. This is my line AB of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, first step. Second, draw an arc with center B. Now assume this is your center B, and from center B, taking a radius measurement of 5.5 centimeter, you will cut an arc. Okay, so how you will cut an arc? Put your divider point here. With the help of your compass, measure 5.5 centimeter and draw one. Suppose this is my 5.5 centimeter. From here I am drawing an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, from here to here it is 5.5 centimeter. Third step, draw another arc with center A. Now taking point A as center, you will draw an arc of 7 centimeter that will meet your previous arc at point C. This is your point C. So from, put your marker point on, your compass point on A and cut one arc here. Suppose from A to C, this is your 7 centimeter. Now, fourth step, draw an arc with center C. Now, taking this point as center C, I am giving its name C. From here, you will cut an arc of 4 centimeter. Okay, so draw an arc with center C, taking a radius of 4 centimeter. So from here, I will put my divider point here and I will cut one arc. Suppose this is my 4 centimeter. Okay, this is my 4 centimeter. Now fifth point, draw another arc with center A. Already we have drawn first arc from A to C. Now we will draw another arc with center A, taking radius of 6 centimeter. At this point will cut at point, this arc will cut at point D. So this is my point D. Okay, now what we will do? Now we will join all the points. In last step, join BC, AC, CD and AD. So I will join all the points. First I will join this DA. Join this DC also. Okay, match point to point and draw line, straight line. Okay, and this was my diagonal AC. Okay, so this is 4.5 centimeter. AC is 7 centimeter. My DC was 4 centimeter. CB, BC was 5.5 centimeter and this was 6 centimeter. Okay, this is your required quadrilateral. Okay, so you have to write these steps also. Okay students, now next question. You have to construct rhombus with the name BEST, B-E-S-T, and measurement of B is 4.5 centimeter and AT is 6 centimeter. This is my rough sketch, rough diagram. So BEST is a rhombus. Here I will use the property of rhombus. What is property of rhombus? All the sides of a rhombus are equal. So you can see in the rough diagram, BE, ES, ST and DB, all sides are 4.5 centimeter, and ED, the diagonal of rhombus, is 6 centimeter. This is my rough diagram. So what you will do, starting with the first step, first you will draw baseline. BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So I am drawing here one baseline. BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Suppose this is my BE 4.5 centimeter. Now draw an arc with center B and radius 4.5 centimeter. This is my B and this is point E. So what I will do, from point B I will cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so put your compass point here and cut one arc of 4.5 centimeter. Draw another arc with center E. From point E also you will cut an arc of radius 6 centimeter to meet the previous arc. From point E you will cut an arc of 6 centimeter to meet the previous arc. This is your previous arc. So from here you will cut an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, this is my 6 centimeter. Now join BT and this point is T. I am giving the name, this point is T and this is your E. So what we will do, we will join BT and T with the help of ruler. I will join this. I have joined this BT and I will join this PE also. Okay, this I have joined. Now next step, draw two arcs with center E and T. First your center is E and then T. From E and T you will cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, because all the sides of your rhombus are equal. So from here also I will cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter and from here also. Okay. Now from this point put your compass point here and cut one arc here. Same way put your compass point here and cut one arc here. This is my arc. I will put my compass point here and I will cut one arc here. Now join. This is your point BEST. So this is your point S. So this is your point S. Okay. Now I will join TS and ES. The last step is join ES and TS. So I will join this. Okay. So this is my required rhombus BEST. Okay.